This is Pavan. I am starting a 6 days challenge how to use the GitHub and how to improve the GitHub profiles. And most of the recruiters are seeing just the GitHub profiles and hiring the people in the MNCs companies and the product based companies and you can see there are many useful for tips in the GitHub. GitHub is used to organize the code. Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain how to change your GitHub repo from this to this just by using some basic commands and basics by using just ChatGPT. I am going to explain you step by step process how to do this. First, you have to go to this GPT and go to the plugins. Over in these plugins, you will be having some connectors like data analyst and GitHub. You have to place the place button over here, and the GitHub will be automatically connected to this just for a while. And you have to connect this using Google and just go select the continue as GitHub. It will take some time, and first of all, you will be having some GitHub profile which is connected. You have to have a GitHub account which is used for this, and you have to authorize yourself because you some code from this GitHub to this to ChatGPT to GitHub. So you have to authorize this file, and it will take some moment of time. Just please be patient. And over here, it just saying GitHub has been installed. So for this, you have to click on this. The GitHub is been. You can access the GitHub from the ChatGPT because we are using some kind of plugins. The plugins is just like an MCP is been created for the GitHub and this ChatGPT, and you have to try in the chart, and you have to give a master prompt for this just is this showing and span you have to remove this, not all, you have to keep this GitHub over there, you have to keep the GitHub over there like that only. And you have to give a prompt, and for the prompt you just comment GitHub. I'll be sending the GitHub link over there. Just by sending this one master prompt, I'll be updating the total GitHub, and you have to send the GitHub link. Just a second, I will be telling you step by step process how to create this. First, you have to create a repository on your name because the repository should be in your local system, right? The local first, you need to create a repository on your name. Just you will be having some owner like this, the Pavan 1104. You have to save the same name. You have to create the name with the same name. Especially, it is more important. You have to create the owner name and the repository name should be same, and you have to make it visible to public. Don't change anything. And over here you just wanted to add a readme file over here, and you just wanted to create a repository. That's it. The only one more thing you have to do is just create a repository on your own name. And over here you'll be saying hi, just leave, just ignore this all those things. I'll be explaining why how to do it. And after creating a GitHub repo on your name, you just wanted to share your URL of the GitHub to the ChatGPT because the ChatGPT want you to communicate with the URL, right? So just copy, you will be having a code over here, you will be having HTTPS code. You just copy this and paste it in the ChatGPT, and you say get set go. It will be just generating the prompt, and it will be automatically pushing to the GitHub. And after you complete creating a GitHub repo of your own name, you just wanted to give a GitHub you have to give your GitHub link. This HTTPS code over here, you have to give this link to this ChatGPT. You have to copy this, and over here in this ChatGPT, you have to recall the GitHub. You just wanted to press git at the rate GitHub at the rate GitHub, and you have to paste the link over there. It's especially it is most more mandatory, and you have to do get set go. See the magic. The magic will be in 2 seconds. And over here in plugins, you just wanted to allow all the actions in this GitHub and the Git code, and the code directly goes from the chat GPT to the GitHub directly to the account. You just wanted to allow this command. That's it. See the chat GPT itself, the build the profile and increase my profile rating, and you can see the connect with me, and the many things can be added over here. And it is very easy to do this. And I just explained me over there, and you can see there, and see you can see the everything is been updated over here. Thank you. If you need a step-by-step process, please do comment hi, and I'll be sending all the step-by-step process and the command over there what they require. Without using any extra tool, the ChatGPT itself the push the code from the ChatGPT to the GitHub by using the plugins and the connectors. And you can see the profile of mine is how beautiful it is. The most of the recruiters used to hire just by seeing the GitHub profiles. And over here you can see my profile and just created my profile how beautifully, and you can see my text tags and connect and my, and you can see my contributions over here, everything over here. And this is the thing which I have created for me. From this to this is what mine I have. The contribution is very less, so sorry for that, my contribution is so low. And you can see the GD hackathon winner, and the this is about my introduction, these are my tech skills, and these are my contribution, these are my LinkedIn profile, everything will be available here. And this is what you can do with this ChatGPT. There are many useful things. There are many things useful for them. There are many useful tools are there. Till then, get follow. We'll be meeting. Hi.